MCSCC 2016 aspirants alleged that there was misconduct in the evaluation process of the essay paper. Supreme Court of India orders appointment of chairperson and other members of the Manipur Human Rights Commission within 3 months' time. Additional Sessions Judge Fast Track Court Manipur East convicts 3 persons involved in a murder case 28 years ago. Narcotic Affairs and Border seizes a large case of heroin and WY tablets estimated to be worth around 70 lakhs in the international market. Manipur Pollution Control Board to take action against people polluting rivers in the state. And former world and Asian champion El Sarita and international boxing champion Sarzubala make Manipur proud with their gold medals at the 2nd Elite National Women's Boxing Championship. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Group of MPSC aspirant candidate alleged that there was misconduct in the evaluation process of essay paper of Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive MCSCC Men's 2016 examination. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club today, convener of the group, Arvind Salam said, there is also suspicion of the involvement of unofficial persons other than the examiners in the evaluation of the answer scripts. He said some candidates have demanded their answer sheets through RTI and found differences in the examiners' signatures. Arvind continued that MPSC had earlier announced that the answer sheets were checked by only one examiner for the particular paper. He asserted that 5 samples answer sheets were sent to Truth Labs Forensic Services on December 1, 2017, and their report admitted to have differences in the signature strokes. Truth Labs Forensic Services, based in Kolkata, is India's first independent forensic laboratory where eminent figures of India, including Chief Justice of India, Law Commission of India, Chairman and Vigilant Commissioners are involved. MPSC aspirant group warned the MPSC to clarify the case at the earliest and also appealed the authority concerned to look into the matter.
1000 Thai more than essay paper sita manga the bodo am soiramadi around 1000 cam soiram doino ado koina MPSC ta through the yamna si karamai toino yam sengdokpa pame sengdokpa yam zu matunga duga hoi government da so asumba exam sita so exam sita aram batawisi sarkar side so moina appropriate action lawraga swift action law pame na koi sarkar so appeal tawri.
Supreme Court of India in a judgment intimated state to fill up vacant posts of chairperson and other members of the Manipur Human Rights Commission within 3 months' time. The judgment was arrived in response to a PIL filed to Supreme Court of India by Chairman of Center for Foreign Studies and Placement, Dr. T.H. Suresh. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, Dr. T.H. Suresh said the court released the order on 4th January 2018 after holding the final hearing on 7th September 2017. He said that PIL also included to review 2 officers not below the rank of Secretary of Government of Manipur and Inspector General of Police. Suresh appealed for people's cooperation and support to strengthen the commission.
Hanu judgment ma ta le high court case le kalona koi rakesh mai ro na tokba case ma 2010 de lei ko adu same judgment ma tai ta na human rights commission ji hingam de either madu court na madu probably applicant na ta lawyer na madu follow to da khudong ta khar lei bra to da bagi maram na waram gane khali ko adu hojiksu koi sima rai tare na pham lebe yaroi akoi adum koi center ki through da koi professor ma koi myam changdra ma si follow to gini noi madam se hello to biu hai di appoint to dre member si appoint to dre ba si ba human rights commission ji hingatri ba Manipur ki ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯐꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ.
Additional Session Judge First Track Court Manipur is convicted 3% over 60 years for a murder case 28 years ago. The sentence hearing of the case will be held on January 18. The three convicts are Pukrambam Joykumar alias Sahajahan, 60 years, son of Pukrambam Siam Nagor, Khangjarakpam Basanta, 60 years, son of Ahanjao from Sagolban, Maino Leirak, and Pangai Jamt Ramananda, 62 years, son of Pangai Jamt Ibutombi from Sagolban, Salam Lekai. According to the prosecution story, based on the charge sheet, Polem Satyajit alias Satyajit Kumar from Thangmaibal Polem Laikai along with Nomai Tempt Megat were returning home from their workplace Kola at Kuyatong Pukri Achobamapalt around 2:30 past midnight on June 23, 1989, when 8 to 9 men came out of the dark and assaulted them with deadly weapons like iron rod near the southwestern corner of Kuyatong Pukri Achobamapal, causing profuse bleeding injuries and later succumbed to his injuries. The assailants also threatened Nomaitiam Mega of dire consequences if he reports about the incident. A case of the murder was registered at Imphal police station after Polem Indrazit, father of the victim, filed a complaint. 3 more persons are also said to be involved in the case besides the 3 convicts. However, the other 3 involved had passed away during the prosecution. The deceased culprits are identified as S. Bodo alias Somrendo from Sagolban Salam Laikai, R.K. Sanatomba alias Moba from Uribok Nithokhongjam Laikai, and A. Dananjoy alias Mobi from Uribok Hawam Dewant Laikai. Narcotic Affairs and Border NAB today arrested seized a large case of heroin and WY tablet estimated to be worth around 70 lakhs in the international market. IGP ADM Dr. S. Ibomcha IPS, who is also the state nodal officer, drugs, said the case of heroin and WY will be destroyed once the magistrate orders of the same. Speaking to media in a press meet held today at Manipur Police Headquarters, Babupara, he said acting on a tip-off, the team led by SP MPS NAB W. Basu was able to hold off the drugs near Samuro Machu Cinema Hall today around 11 a.m. Drugs including 520 grams of heroin and 600 pieces of WY tablets were seized from Makamayumt Hashan, 26 years, son of M.K. Kashim of Lilong Khawribi Makalaikai.
Khoina sumain tawna phariba drug sing ase ganja su yauna amadi tablet sing si yauna kadai da thamkige haidana he hai aduda mayamna singnabasu adumak phongtorokba thengnajai aduga khoina aina masigi tanjasi lawraga haijaning badi phariba drug sing se karimata manghandana khoi thami under lock and key malkhana da phajana thami thammakanda ganja gi bu oirasu aduga drug ate bu oirasu magistrate tuna magistrate ki ayaba lawraga pre trial disposal haidana trial haudringai gi da sample sing je kuina thamagadi madugi ganja su aduga sida phariba naba forum amasi mangak palegadawnina madu mai thadoi mai thaba matamda pressman sing yauna adumak mai thahalle pressman sing ji witness oi aduga magistrate tuna pire ibado akhoi mayam da ulli.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam asserted that Manipur lacks in development as leaders in the state do not implement various schemes of the center in time. He called on the authority concerned to raise awareness among the people on such schemes available for the welfare. Karam Shyam was speaking as chief guest at the inaugurant of a one-day Indian Oil Kishan Mela today. The second Oil Kishan Mela was jointly organized by Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Imphal Divisional Office and Lamsang Oil Service Kishan Seva Kendra at Lamsang Oil Pump. The minister said awareness on various welfare schemes should be given to people in the state, of which 80% is rural area, so that they can avail their rights. He opined that only when people start availing all these welfare schemes, the state would progress fast into development. He called on the ministers holding various portfolios to ensure that their respective departments are led on the right track to provide the rights of the people. Karam Shyam also highlighted the difficulties and inconveniences facing the people in obtaining petroleum products due to frequent landslide and blockades in the state. He expressed that there is a need to bring petroleum products through pipelines in the state. Agricultural scientist Dr. M. Priyodatta gave awareness on plant protection to farmers at the fair. Various told beneficial to the farmers were also opened at this fair.
Lambi thong sanggot pagi maram da oiro or natraga any prajagi saktung matana boiro aduga elected members ingi adi prajagi phangmam thokpa hakse adi praja da khangan naba adi akoina masum bagi khudong chaba haksingje matanaba uji akoi awareness piri praja bu singaba praja na bu khangaba madugi khudong chaba do adi lawba ngamagati adi sakut pai du automatically lakadabane akoi gi di adi akoina sathanariba posidi praja se singkatanaba adi vote matamda pisa khara piraga haktu lairaga adi praja se adi singa adi akoi vote ka ba yaro haibagi wakhal londa awareness ipi de aduna Manipur gi praja singda awareness pibagi daita sidi akhangba mi amana hekta piba yai.
The 7-day third winter art camp organized by Pamel Faira, the nature lover at the children home in Tera Bazar since January 4, concluded with enthralling cultural performances at the Golden Jubilee stage of Manipur Jagoi Marup at Lamboi Khonangkhong yesterday. The camp was held with an objective to promote and give awareness on the state's culture and tradition, as well as to give a platform to the children to showcase their talents and skills and make best use of their winter vacation. Children of the home were given experiences of various events like dance, theatre, fine arts, thangta, pena kunung ishai, pungawari liba during the camp. Filmmaker and cultural activist Makhomani Mongshaba, art critic Razmani Ayekpam, theatre director and critic Dr. Lamabam Gozendro, and many people were present at the closing event of the winter art camp. President of National Student Union of India, Manipur State, P. Bankim Chandra Meite, in a press release said, the enrollment for registration of blood donors as part of a nationwide NSUI program has started at its office on BT Road today. He said that the union, in association with Jenims, will hold a blood donation camp at Congress Bhavan in Imphal on 21 January in connection with the observation of Statehood Day. Karbi Student Association, Old Assam Manipuri Students Union KADC and Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights Karbi Anglong jointly organized a candlelight rally demanding justice for Pravesh Janam and to stop racial discrimination against people of the Northeast at Samsung Singh Ingti, founder of Karbi Anglong District Memorial Park at Dimpu Karbi Anglong in Assam. All Manipur VDF Welfare Association in a press release stated that VDF personnel will cease work from January 16 if their remuneration for the month of November and December is not given out by January 15. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Manipur Pollution Control Board to take action against those polluting the rivers. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board Laishram Radhakishore called for befitting punishment for people polluting rivers in the state. He further blamed the people living near the river banks for the publicized water pollution of Thobal Dam, which appear on local dailies. He also appealed to the people not to throw waste and garbage into the river. Radhakishore was speaking as chief guest at an awareness program in connection with Prakriti Pravavant or HUM campaign organized by Manipur Control Board at Litan's Sarai Khong village in Ukhrul district today. He appealed to the villagers to stop polluting rivers and deforestation. Meanwhile, officials of the MPCB also conducted water tests from the river flowing in Litan Sarai Khong, which is the water source of Thobal River. They first tested the water sample from the upstream of the river in the eastern side of the Litan Bridge. The test results showed that the water contains 11.35% dissolved oxygen and the pH level is at 9.7. Water sample test from the downstream on southern side of Lital Bridge showed that the water contains 14% of dissolved oxygen and pH level at 8.3. According to MPCB officials, the optimum level should be at 8% dissolved oxygen and pH level at 7. They asserted that variation from the average is due to pollution in the river water. Chairman of the MPCB, Radhakishore, stated that directions have been forwarded to DCs, ADCs, IMC, municipal councils and local bodies to take stringent actions against pollution of rivers. He maintained that people polluting rivers and water bodies will be named and punished at the earliest.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯗꯦꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯗꯝ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯕꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯪꯊꯔꯒ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯨꯝꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯜꯀꯥꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯕꯣꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯏꯔꯤꯜ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯅꯝꯕꯨꯜ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯣꯠꯄ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯊꯥꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯕꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯊꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯦꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯗꯅ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯄꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯁꯣꯂꯤꯗ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯔꯨꯜ 2016ꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯜꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯐꯦꯅꯥꯜꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯏꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ 2 लाख ꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ 3 ꯐꯥꯎ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯜꯇꯤ ꯄꯤꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯆꯂꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
Power and Works Minister Thongam Biswajit assured people of Ngaimu village in Ukhrul district that a 100 kV transformer will be installed at the village within a short notice. He said that even though the central government is targeting to provide electricity to all homes by March 2019, the state government targets to achieve the feat by December 2018. The minister was speaking at the inaugural function of the 8th Tangkhul Naga Jingtum Longfang Sport Cum Cultural Festival at the village yesterday. Biswajit said 33 by 11 kV substation will also be set up at Somdalt and Kachai and personally check if AB cables are installed in Ngaimu to improve power supply quality. He spoke of the benefits of green energy and solar energy and said installation of solar rooftop power plants will help in solving the shortage of electricity. Biswajit also explained several schemes launched by the government for the benefit of the people, including PMAY, Uzala, Uzwala, Sobagya, NRLM. He asserted that the DC should erect hoardings to educate the public of the several schemes launched by the government.
Every idea mayam pirangani innovative thought mayamama ai hogdom yai tawadabu masigi akoi ek tawadabu kanano haba matamda village the leriba akoi leaders sing village the leriba mio sing che sina participate tawidragadi oithoi haba sim so hajaram gane organic oiba polam sing the phangi sing che ngasi prithvi gi mi amatana phang manate Manipur khaktani phangi je adu akoi prakriti ne piraiba resourcing je ngasi bawta akoi ni sina de Sina maram orga ekhoji lar jabani ajima akoi yasi power sector da 2019 ge March pauda village kudimak aduga household kudimak mai phangan bai pase akoi state government gi India government gi prime minister gi dream ni adun state government jina akoi gi 3 months ahead of the national announcement by our honorable prime minister na lauthuk be national announcement gi 3 months ahead ta akoi December 2018 da every village kudimak
On the other hand, Biswajit also announced that road repairing works undergoing in Ukhrul town will be completed by February this year while inspecting road repairing works in Ukhrul town yesterday. Biswajit said that the state government is fully committed to maintaining quality control in the road repair process, which is being taken out under the National Highway Infrastructure Development Limited (NHIDCL). The minister maintained that repairing works in the state are being undertaken by BRO and NHIDCL, and it has been found out that some portion of works undertaken by BRO do not maintain quality and the work progress is very slow. The further stated that he will convene a meeting with BRO officials and instruct them to complete repairing works at the earliest without compromising the quality within 2 days.
Quality yaug daba gi mong da ikoi social media da thar khibadu madu ikoi rectify tawre aduga further makha ta ba thoktana basu ikoi leriba official sings da ikoi instruction tawre aduna hariba Manipur state sida akoi thawk paikal isi khara amana NSIDCL na paikat pa adu khara amana BRO na paikali ba aduga ukhrul gi lambi da ikoi lakpada thengnari ba BRO na paikapa matam da thabuk si adugi matik ikoi slow oiba aduga quality da ikoi nungai ta bakra ngasi muksu thengna base akoi hayeng mak natraga hangchit akoi biarogi authority sing kaure har kanda akoi gi leiribu meeting tawre har kanda fana amadi hena akoi gi lambi ji thuna loisale har kanda praja mayam da khuchinarga amadi makha taba quality da compromise tawdana amadi athuba matamda aduga magi haire iba akoi gi specification gi matung ina thabak suna na bacho ko NHIDCL gi authorities da ngasi ma akoi message convey tawrani na haibji aina thamning mani.
Manipur joined the rest of the country in observing National Youth Day today. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad observed the day at Nelit Complex in Akampot. Participants at the event highlighted the roles and responsibilities of youth for the country's development. Paibung Kuno, also known as Jumai village in Senapati district, celebrated the Silver Jubilee of Glory Day, cum cultural, sports and literary meet yesterday with much fanfare. Jumai Youth and Student Organization organized the celebration under the theme Celebration Way Forward at Paibung Kuno Public Ground. Speaking on the occasion, founder member of Information Center for Hill Areas, Manipur, Icham, and Rajendra Boy lauded Paume community inhabiting Paibung Kuno for preserving their culture and tradition. He said it is important to preserve one's tradition and culture like the people of the village, even though people are free to follow any religion of their choice. Rajendra Boy also called for unity in diversity for development of the state. He also assured that he will pressurize the government to bring development in the remote areas of the state. Director of the HRD and E Northeastern Council, NEC, TH Sile Anthony, and members of Icham were present at the event.
Pomaisingi jati ki marakta Manipur ki contest aduga India ki contest Prithvi ki oina lapu contest yamna tangba IS laitaba MCS laitaba aduna akhoi masel adum sangmanaba akhoi masel launari ngaida akhoi ki secretary da digi mapanda ki lapu mi singna chief secretary oiba DG oiba akhoi ki government party ba MLA minister singdu ko tanar kanda administration kadai da kamaina water ki kaba body kamai pisira agriculture lands kamai tawsira horticulture ki kamai porksira tanaga da mi sing sin mapanda ki laga akhoi ki secretary loina phamnina guide tawina mi do laitamnina ka khiba MLA adudi only 5 years tongan ma technical mayam puthorai je ngasai akoina laik tamba computer tamba du loina yawbo ibnina madu gi potho akoi pomai jati da khar walibra nai khalle.
Kabui Mothers Association Kamak will celebrate the 130th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinglu at a government-allocated site located between Guwahati High Court and Civil Secretariat in Chingmairong on January 26. Kama, in a press release, appealed for people's participation at the celebration. Financial assistant to renowned Sumanklila artist T.H. Nila Kumod, popularly known as Kakching Kumod, for his kidney transplant, started pouring in from art lovers in the state. He left Sumanklila after both his kidneys stopped functioning properly since the past 7 to 8 months. Lifetime Secretary of Manipur State Sumanklila Council, Sograkpont Hemanta, lauded the public for their support. Speaking to media person at his office at Palace Compound, Hemanta said that a total of 32,000 rupees has been received from 4% for his treatment. He said doctors have assured that Kakching Kumont would be well again after undergoing kidney transplant. He termed it fortunate that Kakching Kumont's own daughter, Rebita, came forward to donate her kidney. Hemanta appealed to the people to help him come back on stage so that he can continue serving the people of the state through his Sumanklila performances.
Praja miyam ne nungsibiduna hujikse mathang hui sen gi tingbang je lakpa hore ihan hanbada maibam choyot akhugi first class contractor PWD na lupa lising kun subcontractor Mongbijam Rabi na lising mari pangbire aduga nomita khongban tabam huya lampau na lupa lising ama pangbire Suraj Thoksom akogi Mr India takraba inau sina lupa lising tare lama pangbire yambagi damakta miyam gi tengbang je lupa lising kuthra ga nithoi phangbo hogjare kidney transplant se suksoi soiduna miyam gi thaujan ngamgani Mai Pakani have say Manipur State Sumangla Council gi Mai Kaidagi Thazaba Thamjari.
A team of Bishnupur police led by OC Razu Khan seized around 70 liters of local liquor from a person during a frisking on Chote Nacho Pantong Road around 9:30 this morning. The arrested person is identified as Laistram Kanta, 50 years, son of Laistram Satrajit from Nacho Maninglekai. He is said to be ferrying the local liquor in an auto rickshaw RE bearing registration number MN05B4741. The vehicle has also been impounded by the team. OC Razukant appealed to the public for their cooperation in convicting intoxicant abuse by informing the concerned police in time. He said the seized liquor will be handed over to Bishnupur Excise Department.
So Taba Lambi Sida, Nacho Pantong, Mapasi, Daikuna, normal frisking checking Tauringaida, Ari Auto Silak Padagi, Quina Sing Nadanat Sek Tobomatamda, local DIC liquor, 70 Mukse Queen recovered Tauzavani, District Police na, Pangtok Seriba, Nishagi Mayok Tatsatariba driver Sigi, Sharukamani, Ekoi Makatana, District Police Bishnupurna, Makatana Masiguma driver si, Satagigan, any Praza section Kuding Maktagi, Police Tamateng Pangbio, Amasung Ekoi. Any information adoy koi mateng pangjage.
Imphal Area Service Committee of Narcotics Anonymous appealed drug users in the state to become its member to give up drug and lead a healthy life. Addressing media person at Manipur Press Club today, member of the Imphal Area Service Committee of Narcotics Anonymous, Bungo, stated that the Narcotics Anonymous group is a fellowship of drug users and not a profit-making organization. He said the Narcotic Anonymous group now has 11 branches in the state. He appealed drug users in the state to join the group for a healthy lifestyle and contribute to social development.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯁꯥ ꯆꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯛ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯔꯀꯣꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯅꯣꯅꯤꯃꯁ ꯐꯦꯂꯣꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯅꯤꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯇꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯕꯁꯇꯤꯅꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯦꯜꯂꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯛꯑꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ.
Coordinator of the Standing Committee of Underground Outfit Maoist Communist Party, Kyung Hunt Mangang has greeted drivers in the state on the occasion of Manipur Drivers' Day on January 14. Kyung Hunt in a press release also appealed to all the publishers of the yearly calendar to include the day on the calendar in recognition of the service of the drivers in the state. And now, in the world of sports. Former world and Asian champion El Sarita and international boxing champion Sarzubala Samjet Sabamt of Manipur booked gold medals in the second Elite National Women's Boxing Championship. Sarzubala Samjet Sabamt bagged the gold medal in the 51 kg category of the championship held at Rohtak, Haryana. Sarzubala dropped host player Ritu by 5-0 points, while Sarita defeated Railway Sport promoting both RSPB boxer Pabitra in 60 kg category of the championship. Players of the amateur Tong Il Mudo Association of Kangleipak bagged several medals at the 8th Senior National Tong Il Mudo Championship 2018 and Federation Cup held at Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh from January 9 to 11. The players of the association who represented Manipur at the championship bagged a total 5 medals including 2 gold and 2 silver medals. Kiamgai Youth Pioneer Club in a press release stated that the 12th Khagemba Football Trophy 2018 will kick off on January 13 at Kiamgai Haibong Makong Lampak. Altogether, 17 teams will take part in the knockout basis tournament. Northeast United will meet ATK in another match of the ongoing 4th Indian Super League 2017-18 football tournament at Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium, Guwahati, 8 tonight. In a league match played yesterday at Fatorda Stadium, Goa, FC Goa beat Jamshedpur 2-1. For the winners, Manuel Lajarot Bruno netted the 2 goals in the 45+1 and 60th minute of the match. The lone goal for the Jamshedpur was netted in the 54th minute of the match by Matthews Conclave. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. NCSCC 2016 aspirants alleged that there was misconduct in the evaluation process of the essay paper. Supreme Court of India orders appointment of chairperson and other members of the Manipur Human Rights Commission within 3 months' time. Additional Session Judge Fast Track Court Manipur is convicts 3 persons involved in a murder case 28 years ago. Narcotic Affairs and Border seizes a large case of heroin and WY tablets estimated to be worth around 70 lakhs in the international market. Manipur Pollution Control Board to take action against people polluting rivers in the state. And former world and Asian champion El Sarita and international boxing champion Sarzubla make Manipur proud with their gold medal at the second Elite National Women's Boxing Championship.